Hey there, today we're going to show you how to track the productivity in your agency. This will include things like time clock reports as well as productivity reports using your transaction log report. Feel free to stop the video at any time and do what you're learning, especially if you're a hands-on learner. Let's get started by going to your reports. First report we're going to look at is going to be the time clock report. If you are an admin, you'll be able to see Manage Time Clock down here in blue. When you're in here under Manage Time Clock, you can click on any of these and make changes here and then submit it. Next, let's take a look at Reports. Under Reports, you'll find your Time Clock Detail Report. This will give you some possible columns that you can add in. And in the middle are columns that are included in the report. Feel free to remove any that you don't need. Now we're going to select our filters. You can filter by user, grouping them together. If that's the most important thing, then you put that on the top. Then we can also add a sum on our total time. You'll notice that there's not a date card here. You'll choose the time in card, and this is how you'll choose your date range. Now you'll view the report. The report's going to show you by user. It's also going to show you your time in and time outs as well as your total time. You'll have total counts down at the bottom. If you've built the report and you enjoy using it that way, then you'll give it a name and a description and memorize it. That way next time you can go to your memorized reports and it'll be there for you. Now let's take a look at another kind of report that could help you. We have a transaction log report. You'll find this under your detailed reports. Transaction log is going to show you any transactions that have been done in your agency within a given date range. Now you have some filters that you can use for this. You can sort by users. You can also choose actions. Actions are things like suspense. If you want to see just the suspenses, you would choose that. Now, extra is where you can put in any keyword that you would like to see. So if I choose forward, for instance, and then I view this report, I'm going to see everything that was done by this user that is a suspense and that has the word forward in it. So I hope this has been helpful. Let us know if you have any questions.